solving a word problem using a system of linear equations of the form Ax plus By equals C. Our problem here says Alan the trainer has two solo workout plans that he offers his clients, Plan A and Plan B. Each client does either one or the other, but not both. On Friday, there were 3 clients who did Plan A and 2 who did Plan B. On Saturday, there were 8 clients who did Plan A and 4 who did Plan B. Alan trained his clients for a total of 7 hours, or his Friday clients, for a total of 7 hours, and his Saturday clients for a total of 17 hours. How long does each of the workout plans last? So the first thing I want to do here is kind of come up with what my 2 equations are going to be. So if I look at the information given, I know this is going to set up into standard form equations because I have these 2 different workouts, workout A and workout B, and it's a combination, right? How long for this one, how long for that one type of problem. So my 2 equations, if I look at my information here, I'm told that on Friday, there were 3 clients who did Plan A and 2 who did Plan B. And I'm also told that for Friday, he trained for 7 hours. On Saturday, there were 8 clients who did Plan A and 4 who did Plan B. And on Saturday, he trained for a total of 17 hours. So I'm going to use that information to set up my 2 equations. So the information highlighted in yellow is going to go into my Friday equation, okay? So there were 3 clients who did Plan A, so I had 3 Plan A's, 2 who did Plan B, plus 2 Plan B's, and total that took 7 hours. On Saturday, there were 8 clients who did Plan A, plus 4 who did Plan B, and that took a total of 17 hours. So there's my 2 equations. Now I'm just going to solve this system, and I'm going to do it using the elimination method. So when I use the elimination method, I need 2 equations in standard form, which these are, and then I'm looking for 1 pair of exact opposite terms. So either the A's or the B's, but I need them exact opposites. So if I look at my B terms here, I notice that 4 is a multiple of 2. So since I have positive 4b in the bottom one, I would like to have a negative 4b in this top equation so that I would have exact opposite b terms. But to get a negative 4b right there, I need to multiply this 2 by a negative 2. But if I'm going to multiply the b term by a negative 2, then I have to go ahead and multiply every term in the equation by negative 2. So this equation is going to become negative 2 times 3a is negative 6a. Negative 2 times positive 2 will be negative 4b. And negative 2 times positive 7 is negative 14. This one already has the 4b, the exact opposite, so I don't need to multiply anything times this equation here. I'm just going to rewrite it underneath my other one. So 8a plus 4b equals positive 17. Okay, now I'm going to just combine my like terms using column addition. So negative 6a plus 8a is 2a. Negative 4b plus 4b, that's going to zero out. That's my elimination right there. And that's going to be equal to negative 14 plus 17 is positive 3. Dividing both sides by 2, I get A equals 3/2 of an hour, or 1.5 hours. Now that I know how long the A workout takes, I can use this number, go back to either one of my original equations, substitute 1.5 in for A, and figure out what B is. So I'm going to use the top equation. I have 3 times A, or I'm going to substitute in 1.5, plus 2B equals 7. 3 times 1.5 is 4.5, plus 2B equals 7. And then solving for B, the first thing I'm going to do is zero out this 4.5 constant term, and then balance my equation by doing the same thing on the other side of the equals. So those are eliminated, and when I simplify, I get 2B equals, and 7 minus 4.5 is 2.5. Last step in my solve is to divide by 2, and 2.5 divided by 2 is 1.25 for my B value, or 1.25 hours. I know my units are hours because the last part of my problem up here says how long does each of the workout plans last. So final answer, Plan A takes 1.5 hours, Plan B 1.25 hours.